as you can see, the roads are covered in snow. Salt crews are out. Like I said, they're working around the clock. We got a winter storm here in Michigan today. So as you can see, the roads are covered. So take your time. If you're driving out here, make sure you drive accordingly. Make sure you use precautions while out here driving today. So I will come back and give you guys another update. So I just wanted to give you an update on the storm here in my neck of the woods, January 25th, 2026, here in Michigan. Right now, the roads are still covered in snow. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. Be safe.